Hi everyone, Chris Lasakis here for Eyes to the Sky Environmental Services. I wanted to take some time today to give you an important update on Hurricane Michael as he continues to move north toward the Florida Panhandle. Currently, as we take a look at the latest visible satellite of Michael, his maximum sustained winds are coming in at 95 knots or 110 miles per hour with higher gusts. As you can see on this loop, Michael is continuing to grow in size and get more organized, which is especially evident with the blowup of convection on his northern eye wall, along with the development of some curved banding features, an improvement in the overall symmetry of the central dense overcast, and the continued development of an eye. Also, I wanted to show you a water vapor imagery loop of Michael, which indicates that he's been battling some light amounts of dry air this morning, but has been able to not only successfully fight off this dry air up to present, but has actually strengthened significantly in the midst of this normally adverse feature. This bothers me really because normally hurricanes are significantly disrupted by such dry air influences, and Michael is obviously not. Adding fuel to the fire is the fact that Michael is moving into an environment even more conducive for further strengthening by way of decreasing deep layer wind shear. As you know, many of you may know that wind shear generally prevents hurricane development and maintenance, especially in association with more powerful storms. The National Hurricane Center has been mentioning that decreasing wind shear conditions can be expected throughout the day today, which is a cause for substantial concern. The final ingredient we will discuss today are the sea surface temperatures that lie in Michael's future path. As you can see from the map currently on your screen, the portion of the Gulf of Mexico that the storm currently resides in consists of water temperatures of approximately 29 degrees Celsius or about 84 degrees Fahrenheit. This is more than sufficient given that meteorologists generally look for water temperatures of at least 26.5 degrees Celsius or 80 degrees Fahrenheit for the formation and sustenance of tropical cyclones. Troubling is the fact that a large expanse of 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degree Fahrenheit water lies between Michael's current location and the northern Gulf Coast of the U.S., which could very well allow for significant strengthening of the system through tomorrow morning's landfall, which is expected near Panama City Beach, Florida. So in a nutshell, an interesting and very dangerous situation is shaping up for the Florida Panhandle as Hurricane Michael looks to make landfall sometime in the early afternoon hours tomorrow near Panama City Beach, Florida. Although somewhat rare, a few major hurricanes have made landfall along this portion of the Gulf Coast in early October. Opal in 1995 is the storm that immediately comes to my mind, and he made landfall as a low-end Category 3 on October 7, 1995 near Pensacola, Florida. Michael will likely surpass Opal's intensity at landfall, and this alone should be a large cause for concern. As a matter of fact, some of the current model guidance projects that Michael could be the strongest hurricane to affect the north central Gulf Coast in a long time. Rather alarming due to the fact that some of the current model intensity and track forecasts do indeed verify, several which include intensity forecasts as high as Cat 4. Michael will likely massively impact the Panama City Beach area and points nearby, likely leaving a mark that will last for many years to come. My hope is that everyone in the path of this storm along the immediate Gulf Coast will take this storm very seriously in order to save lives as Michael continues to strengthen. Once again, this has been Chris Lasakis for Eyes to the Sky Environmental Services signing out.